Hi, welcome to what Bird's magical wonderful world. Ah.
Again, you go. It's recording.
Okay, thank. I bought a new phone. Might be refunded though. I don't know. No, bro. Ah, look at how aggressive he is.
In front the camera video, bro.
Ah, camera video. That's crazy.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
right, it might be better if I just hold it.
Oh my god, it's open. Wow.
But we try hard, guys.
容易用子看。这个是它前面。Fun fact, guys, did you know Poco previously also had an Iron Man collab?
Look at that plastic, looks so nice.
It's so shiny, bro. Look at it, it's so shiny. Like, it looks so much better in person, like that.
I know. It actually looks
Look at it. Meet.
Bro bought it and still caught it in. That's crazy.
Ah, garbage. 这样开哦。Oh, for real, it's so fancy, guys. Look.
That's the handle, guys.
Woo.
Wait, camera not focusing.
Swing. Oop. 还一直掉。Stop dropping.
Okay.
Look at this.
Wow. That's like a briefcase.
Yes.
Bro.
Ah, my fault there.
Drop it.
This is my.
That's a case, though.
Yeah, that's the case. Wow, I even got a marble here. Can you see it, camera? Can you see it? Eh, camera 可以看到的，对不对？
Yes, that was a good kind of fuck. Oh, that's the phone.
那你是这个搞啊 What is this commentary? Look at this slick design, though I don't think this can protect my phone. I need something like this.
I think it's decent.
前面真的
That's the job.
还没有这种，我要这种。Oh well, good, epic design. Does this matter? I don't think this matters. I mean, it's just a design of how Iron Man. Cool. For real. And we know the phone, guys. Look at my new phone. And cable. There's no charger. What am I gonna charge with this? Are they stupid? Why am I getting my charger?
They're just following Apple and Samsung footsteps.
还有吗？你这样没有啊？
You're the one who's unboxing it.
Oi.
For the girls in there.
Okay, I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else.
Oh well, that's sad.
I think 它这个是那个 pin ejector. 它写 Marvel. Marvel. It's a bit smaller.
That's a nice design,
Well, that's why it's actually pretty good. The design is actually very nice. 100-watt hypercharge flagship.
Too bad it doesn't come with charger.
I know, right? No power adapter included. 哇，他自己也讲 damn. Recommend to use Xiaomi official power adapter. Bro wants you to buy it.
Yeah. Power on lah.
Power on with this thing. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm opening. Oh, slick design, guys. Look at this. Camera.
Camera's up. This camera's good. Oh, get off from
这个啊
It's okay.
啊，那个 shit 啊。
没有这一个是。
哎，这样我们不是应该要给这个看 ？Alright, guys, time to open it, I guess.
Oh, that's a little
他有自己 custom 买嘅咩那個？
Oh really? I didn't know.
是啊。还有声音吗 ？Where's the sound？ 嗯。
Oh wow.
It's so meat though.
Oh wow, that's smooth. Wow, the screen looks so thin though.
Wow, being I've never felt much richer than I am. Ah, hey, okay, comfortable.
We start setting it up.
Terms and condition, blah 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 blah. Yep. Android device to copy settings account from another Android device.
Much more feature, right?
Yes,
But also more more slot. Ooh, Iron Man, I see it. I see it.
I can go custom Iron Man. Oh, actually looks way better.
It's download Ui, hắn download slot game there already bro. 他应该没有 download. I think go and tap on it 才会 download. Wow, holy shit. Momo.
Seriously, has it copy? Real? Copy? Real? But why would I want to? But why would I want to copy my slot apps to a new app?